And we're taking the seeds, we're gonna plant 20. You're gonna put your finger in the middle of the soil block and just make a little indent. And then you put the seed in. So see, I'm just gonna cover these up like that and just pat it in. And you water these twice a day until they sprout. And then you'll transfer them to a larger soil block until they're ready to go into the ground.
Because they're like sand. They're really...
Okay. So can I do another one?
Sure. Yeah. Here, that's what the pansies look like.
Love to keep this down.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, it'll come up now. Just go ahead and pull it all the way up slowly. Good.
Yes, good job.
So we're really excited. We just got done doing some seeding. Got a lot of future plants coming to grow. Now we're taking a ladder. We're gonna go get an axe, saw. We're gonna do some yard work. Let's get it.
What's up, guys? We are headed to cut down some trees. What else are we gonna do?
We're gonna cut down some trees, move a lot of brush and timber that's in the way, but doing it country style. Riding in the back of the pickup, baby, with the hay bales and everything. So.
Yes, and we're also gonna knock down some wasp nests that the wasps aren't here right now since it's too cold. But we're gonna knock those down so that they don't torment people in the summer.
Yeah. But this is just a beautiful time, man. We can just sit here in the back of the truck, ride out,
Hold each other,
enjoy the view. It's just a beautiful time. It's a beautiful life, and I'm excited just to get more life skills. We all need life skills. So. So after we get this work in, we also got a surprise from God. We're actually only 45 minutes away from my nephew's college, so we're gonna go out to his college and watch his basketball game today. So it's gonna be the first time I got to go visit for his game, and yeah, a blessing. Let's get some work done.
Okay, sorry.
easy.
So it's been a true blessing out here. Kai and Sasha got the fence down. I just aerated the whole ground, and then we moved all the hay over just to get this new land. Now we're gonna get the hole, dig a trench, and start planting some peas. Okay, so as you guys can see, we were able to dig the trench. We got the fence and everything put in, and we planted about roughly 100 to 150 pea seeds. So we're gonna have peas growing pretty soon. And now you guys saw what we did earlier. We cut down some of the branches, and I actually took this tree, this miniature tree was growing where there's gonna be a new house built. So I cut it down, and they don't waste anything, so it would go to fire, timber, etc. But I'm keeping this with me. This walking stick is about to be amazing. I'm gonna fix it up, and it's coming with me to Colorado. That's where the next trip's gonna be. And yeah, so we've been enjoying the farm. It's been a great vlog so far, great trip, and yeah. been a long, productive day, but I'm excited. Kind of working on this walking stick, like I said earlier, but it's pretty amazing. I was thinking about my grandpa, and when I was about 10 years old, I went to church as Moses, and I was Moses for Halloween, right? And so my grandpa really went out and got me a stick, used one of these tools, got all the bark off of it, and got some sandpaper, sanded it down, and stained it. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do 20 years later, but for my grandpa. So God is amazing, and it's cool how exactly 20 years later, I'm gonna give my grandpa a walking stick.
Okay everyone, thank you guys so much for following us on this journey at the Heartland Farm. It's been such a blessed experience. Everyone here, the sisters, Sasha, who was volunteering with us, every employee, they're so kind and gracious, and we decided to support them and also just support ourselves with these amazing little jellies. So these were made by Sister Imelda. Sorry, I can't pronounce it correctly, but this is sand plum jelly. This is actually native to Kansas, a native plum.
And it's all homegrown,
yeah,
homemade.
We've never even tried this.
Look at this, elderberry jelly.
Yeah.
And then I'm excited about this because right here, honey jelly. Oh my gosh. And it's local honey.
Yeah, so it's great for allergies. Like the bees around your area, it's good to eat their honey because it helps you build up antibodies to the allergens that irritate you. Like I have really bad allergies, so I got some honey jelly.
And they also, this was actually a gift, but the blackberry jam, they provided us with that when
And
we
they
got
gave
here.
us homemade breadsticks,
Homemade bread.
And then lastly,
There's a lot to learn from these sisters, but
yes,
lastly is Smooth Bee. It's olive oil and beeswax.
Beeswax and water. It's lip balm.
Natural, so
So
that's
we're
amazing.
there's so much to learn from these ladies. They are just so amazing. They know how to do every trade, every craft, everything.
And an update, I finished the stick, so it came out pretty well. Got the
Yeah.
stain on it, got some stripes in there,
Yeah,
sanded
that's
it
cool.
down, so yeah, coming to you soon, Paul.
Yeah, so we want to thank you guys so much for watching our journey again, and we just want to encourage you guys to stay blessed and just try to cultivate your relationship with God, because it really brings you a joy that surpasses all understanding. So
Yes, sir.
yes, in Jesus' name, be blessed, y'all. Peace.
Hey.